divide 256 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 5 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 6. So now it became 16 and 2 times 8 means 16. On subtracting we get 0. So 256 divided by 2 is 128. So this much for today and thanks for watching.